Okay, let's see how to fill in paper Python diagrams in order to understand how simple Python scripts work. Okay, so this is from the algorithms chapter, chapter 1, and on page 31, a simple program is listed. I've already typed it into Thonny, and we have A gets the value 12, B becomes the name of 30, and sum becomes the name of the result of adding the values named by A and B, which is 42 because 12 plus 30 equals 42. Then print takes the name sum, gets its value, which is 42, and sends that to the console screen. And that's what happens when you run it. You can run it again once it's, you can see I've saved it in a file here, and you just click the green button and it will run it again. Okay, now here's the diagram that we're going to try to, we're going to try to understand how these programs work. And this is fairly simple, just to get you started on what the diagram means. And it looks like the program over here is just copied over here, but that's not true. For this program, it is true, but in general, there'll be many more instructions. There could be many or fewer, but in general, there'll be many more instructions here than listed over here. Because some instructions get repeated. Now, the first one, the first instruction here, A becomes the name of the value 12. That's illustrated over here. The name A becomes a reference to the object 12, which has content 12, type int, and one name, because it's a reference count. Now, the instruction B gets the value 30, creates this object here and assigns the name to that object, and gives it a reference count of 1. Because these reference counts are not 0, these objects are not forgotten. And line 3, instruction 3, what the interpreter does is reads out the values of A and B, that's 12 and 30, adds them to get 42, and makes sum the name of the object with content 42, type int, and one name. And then when the print instruction is executed, we see here on the screen, this would have been executed after step 1. So nothing's executed up here, but after step 4, we see the 42. If we had had a line over here with an input, then this keyboard over here would have been shown the value that we typed on the keyboard. Okay, well, that's it for this program.